Well, today we're going to learn how to weld with the Harbor Freight plastic welding kit. And yeah, I pretty much just got the mesh wire and I put it on there, and in the back I melted it on there. That way it has some stronghold, you know. But let's see what it does then. How this works. That's it, just the mesh wire and melt it on there. All the way across, pretty much how it goes. You don't even need the other, those little tubes that they give you, the plastic ones. You can if there's a gap in it, you know, but all this is doing is just, you know, sealing the crack on the bumper. Just melting it on there. I'm trying to do this one hand, so it's a little hard, but we'll get it done. Oh my gosh, I bent the tip. I did not see that. Ugh, that's what I did not want to do. Alright, well, y'all know what it is.